Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat. You are locked in for a great half hour, and right now we have Steele Rubber with us once again. And Danny, you always bring some cool stuff because you have thousands and thousands of parts in your catalog at Steele Rubber.
Yeah, we have over 12,000 products in our catalog of parts that we offer, and it ranges from simplistic door weather stripping to really complex pieces that are, only made for a specific vehicle.
There's so many parts in your catalog and so many things you have in the warehouse there, but every once in a while you get somebody calling up and say, we don't have parts for this, can you help me?
Yeah, we listen to our customers, and our customers overwhelmingly have told us, I can't find this on the market. And one of those projects happened to be the Lincoln Continentals of the 60s, the JFK era, from 61 to 67, those big four-door convertibles. They had trouble finding those parts, or parts that were even halfway decent. So we took on that project, and I have all three generations of those cars, those roof rails right here, and we have all the parts for them, but these roof rails were kind of a very big piece of that puzzle to come up with all those pieces.
How satisfying is it for all of you at Steele Rubber to come up with something like this that works?
We love it, and our customers love it, and what we love most is whenever our customers tell us, I've been looking for this part, I could not find it anywhere, especially if it's something we just made and now it's there and everyone can enjoy it.
That's one of the classics. You also brought with you something that's not so classic, but it's a very popular vehicle that you don't think about very much.
Yeah, so in a completely separate world, we have made the seals for the Chevy Astro van. And a similar thing, our customers were just telling us, I can't find these seals anywhere. I can't find them. GM doesn't make them anymore. So we took on the project. A lot of guys I talk to, they can tell me a cool story about how they learned to drive in a 64 Galaxy. I learned to drive in a Chevy Astro. So, I don't know if the time's coming where people are wanting to restore them, but, we listen to our customers, and this is the product that we have.
This is an interesting blend to me because you often see things that are classics that people obviously want to keep and restore. In this case, maybe there's some nostalgia involving that, but I see a lot of these vans still in use by painting companies and workers, so there's still a need for this.
Yeah, on the flip side, compared to the Lincoln Continentals, there's millions of these. Chevy Astro didn't change their body style much for 20 years, so that helps, just the amount of people who might be able to use these.
Now, anytime anybody has a vehicle, how do you make a catalog for them?
So we have year, make, model, and even body style specific catalogs that we print off individually for each customer. Like we have one that's just for the 67 Lincoln Continental four-door convertible. We've got one for the Chevy Astro passenger van, not the cargo van, passenger van. It's very specific, it has all the parts for that car, and it's printed on demand.
And if I cannot find something for my vehicle, like maybe these folks have done, what do I do?
That's where we go over to our street rod or universal line. If you're working with something that didn't have rubber on it to begin with, or you're working on something that you can't find parts for and we don't make it, we have a huge line of weather stripping that you can still use to make your car windproof, waterproof, and enjoy that comfortability of the ride.
And the good news is you guys aren't just about cars. What else do you make seals for?
We have parts for RVs, we have parts for boats. All those have stemmed from our customers saying, we want this, I can't find it, and we treat everyone's project like it's our own. We care about it. Just call one of our customer service people and you'll find out for yourself.
And that's on the front end, but it's also on the back end. If I get something to my house and it doesn't work quite right, what do I do then?
We have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and what that means is if you buy anything from us and you're not happy with it for some reason, we will work to make it right. Whether it's getting you a new part, a refund, whatever it is, we want your experience to be the best with us because we do care about it.
Well, everyone we've ever talked to that uses Steele Rubber absolutely loves what you guys do, both the product you make and the service they get. So,
well, we really appreciate it, and that's our goal.
Perfect. You can see if they meet their goal. Check out if they have a part for you, or see if they can make one for you. Check them out at steelerubber.com. We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by Top Coat right after this. Don't go anywhere.